In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these performance taillights on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. On the inside here, you're going to take these two screws out. The one on the bottom is missing. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen that up. Just grab the light and slide it back. Take the sockets out, just push down on these tabs, slide it to the left. Same with these other ones. This middle one right here is going to be the turn signal light, which is the center one here. We're going to take the bulb out, connect the connector. Only goes one way. And slide the socket inside. And twist it to the right. Before we do the reverse light, we're going to do the stop light and marker lights. Just disconnect the bulb here. This would have been the top bulb that was in there. Plug that in down here. That's going to go to the bottom here. And it only goes on one way. There we go. Line that up. And twist it to the right. Now the reverse light is going to go right here. Slide that in place. You leave the bulb in there and twist it to the right. Now on the inside here, you want to take an alcohol wipe or some cleaner and just clean the surface right there or right there. There's a resistor. You're going to take the resistor with some double-sided tape and secure it to there or there. Plug this in. Take these J-nuts and you're going to put these in these locations. One on the bottom, one on the top. Just make sure it goes all the way on. Just use the back of a screwdriver to help you push it on. Do the same on the top. And take the screws, get those started. Snug that down, and then do the same on the bottom one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.